Welcome to the July Financial 5. My name is Katherine Liola, President and Founder of CONCENTRIC Private Wealth. Our first planning focus is on taxes. This is a perfect time of year to sit down with a tax advisor and put together a comprehensive strategy. You're going to want to bring your year-to-date income, your tax withholdings year-to-date, and any other information that's going to be impacting your taxes for the 2018 year. This way, you'll have adequate time to put a little extra cash aside in case they're anticipating a little bit of a higher tax bill in April, or to help you get on track with your estimated taxes if you're not quite there yet, or perhaps even change your tax withholdings. Number 2, track expenses. If you've already been tracking your expenses, congratulations. This is an incredible part of your financial position. With that information, we recommend that you go back through the last 6 months and identify what was unique about each month with your spending patterns. Perhaps there was a birthday celebration, perhaps there was a family vacation, maybe there was something that you're doing for some personal development. Whatever it was, be sure to note it and put it to the side so that when you look at your expenses for the overall year, you can identify which months typically had higher spending patterns and why, and plan for it. If you haven't been tracking expenses yet, take a little bit of time to determine what makes sense for you to track those expenses. Is it Excel? Is it some type of software system? Whatever it is, you're going to want to invest a little bit of time to understand how it works and to ensure that all of your expenses are aggregated to the appropriate category. Number 3, if gifting is important to you, this is a great time of year to determine what strategy makes the most sense. Whether you want to give cash or highly appreciated securities, a lot of that depends on the value of the securities and the cost basis. This also impacts whether you should be giving cash or not. And for some, they're more interested in the deduction than they are in perhaps giving to the charity, but they know that they want to give to a charity in the future. So for those individuals, there's also strategies that can include some of your gifting right now. And of course, if you want to be able to support a charitable contribution, but you're not necessarily looking to do that with your money right now, of course, giving time is one of the best things that we can all be doing. Number 4, if you're in the market for a car, this is a great time of year to take advantage of end-of-season opportunities. We suggest you drive 3 different vehicles and get at least 3 different quotes for the type of financing that will go into this. Whether you're expecting to buy using all cash, financing, or leasing, it's important to have options. Number 5, as I mentioned in our financial planning tip last week, it is very important to celebrate our wins along the way. We're already in July. This year has been flying by. But there's been a lot of great things that have happened. So take some time, maybe this weekend, 5-10 minutes, whatever time you have, and be sure to note the things that have been of importance to you and the wins. Family vacation, maybe some type of growth at work, maybe just being able to take some time to read a book before you go to bed. Whatever it is, note that, perhaps in the same place that you're tracking your expenses, so that you can have all of this together as you look at your financial position for the year ahead. We're CONCENTRIC Private Wealth. Thank you so much for joining us today, centered on what matters most.